Have you ever wondered how you can transform your life and the lives of those around you? In a world where opportunity may seem scarce and dreams often feel out of reach, private franchising emerges as an empowering force. It's a concept that's changing lives, particularly for those who find themselves in challenging circumstances. Private franchising is not merely about owning a business, it's about stepping into a network of proven systems and structures, about leveraging the power of an established brand. With the support of a franchise, you're not starting from scratch. You're beginning your journey on the shoulders of giants, equipped with the tools and resources to succeed. Picture this. You're standing at the precipice of change. The road ahead may seem daunting, but in your hands, you hold a key to a door that opens up to a world of possibilities. That key is private franchising. For those who have felt the sting of adversity, private franchising is more than just a business model. It's a lifeline, a beacon illuminating a path out of the shadows of struggle and into the light of opportunity and prosperity. It's a chance to break free from the chains of circumstance, to step out of the cycle of hardship, and to step into a world where dreams are within reach. It's a chance to claim your place in the world of entrepreneurship, to set your own hours, to be your own boss, and to create a stable, fulfilling life for yourself and your loved ones. But the power of private franchising extends beyond the individual. It's a ripple effect that spreads through communities, empowering others and inspiring change. It's a catalyst for transformation, not just for the entrepreneur, but for all those whose lives they touch. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur seeking a way into the world of business, or you're someone who's faced adversity and is looking for a way out, remember this. Private franchising is more than a business model, it's a tool for transformation. Private franchising is a beacon of hope, offering a path to prosperity and a way out of adversity. Let's take Maria as an example, a young mother who was exhausted by the demands of her daily life. She was like so many other young adults in her city, working tirelessly in a struggle to make ends meet, to provide for her children, to give them a life she could only dream of as a child. Life had dealt Maria a tough hand, but she was not one to fold. She held her dreams close, especially the ones she had for her children. She yearned for a life where she could provide for them without the constant worry of where their next meal would come from. She yearned for a reality where she could afford to send them to good schools, to give them the education they deserved. In her search for a way out of her seemingly insurmountable struggles, Maria discovered private franchising. This was a revelation, a beacon of hope in a sea of despair. She learned that with private franchising, she could own her business. She could set her own hours, work at her own pace, and most importantly, she could create a stable income that would give her and her family the financial security they so desperately needed. She started small, with a franchise that didn't require much capital to start. She worked hard, pouring her heart and soul into her business. And slowly but surely, she began to see the fruits of her labor. Her business started to grow, and with it, so did her income. She was finally able to afford the things she had only dreamed of for her children: a good education, a safe home, a secure future. Maria's journey is a testament to the power of private franchising. It's a story of hope, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of a young mother who refused to let her circumstances define her future. Through private franchising, Maria was able to turn her dreams into reality, to create a life of prosperity not just for herself, but for her children as well. With private franchising, Maria was able to make her dreams for her children a reality. Then there's Carlos, a talented artist who once thought his creativity was locked behind the bars of a bleak reality. Carlos, like many others, was caught in the whirlwind of life's hardships. He had a gift for art, a passion that burned brighter than the city lights. But he found himself in a world where his talent was overshadowed by the struggle for survival. His creativity was like a bird trapped in a cage, yearning for the freedom to soar. But then, a revelation. Carlos discovered private franchising, a lifeline that could pull him out from the shadows of adversity. It was a chance for him to use his talent, his passion, to create a future that didn't involve the pitfalls of the streets. It was his ticket to a life of legitimate entrepreneurship. With determination in his heart and a vision in his mind, Carlos ventured into the world of private franchising. He opened an art supply store, a place where he could share his love for art with his community. His store wasn't just a business. It was a testament to his resilience, a symbol of hope for those who thought they were stuck in a never-ending cycle of hardship. The art supply store became more than just a source of income for Carlos. It was a place where dreams took shape, where creativity found its voice, where the community could come together to celebrate the power of art. Carlos's passion had found its freedom, and in doing so it had inspired others to break free from their chains. Carlos's journey is a testament to the transformative power of private franchising. From a struggling artist caught in the clutches of adversity, he became a successful entrepreneur, a beacon of hope in his community. His story is a reminder that our circumstances don't define us, but how we respond to them does. Through private franchising, Carlos unleashed his potential and became a beacon of hope in his community. His art supply store isn't just a business, it's a symbol of resilience, a testament to the power of dreaming big, and a beacon of hope for those who dare to chase their dreams, even in the face of adversity. But private franchising isn't just about financial stability, it's about leaving a legacy. These are not just empty words, but a profound truth that has been lived and experienced by young entrepreneurs who dared to dream and act. They realized that private franchising was far more than a ticket to prosperity. It was a chance to become role models for their peers, showing that there was a better way, a path to success that didn't involve the pitfalls of the streets. Imagine being a beacon of hope in a world that often seems dark and uncertain. Picture yourself as a lighthouse guiding others away from the rocky shores of poverty and despair, towards the safe harbor of financial independence and self-esteem. That's the power of private franchising. These young entrepreneurs weren't just building businesses, they were building a legacy. They were shaping futures, not only their own but those of their peers, their families, and their communities. They were showing that it's not where you come from that determines where you go in life. It's the choices you make, the dreams you pursue, and the legacy you leave behind. Each franchise they opened, every job they created was a brick in the foundation of a new reality. A reality where dreams are not crushed by circumstance but are nurtured and brought to life through hard work, determination, and resilience. They demonstrated that entrepreneurship wasn't just about making a living, it was about making a difference. It was about transforming lives, uplifting communities, and creating opportunities where none existed before. And in doing so, they challenged the status quo. They shattered the glass ceiling that society had placed over them. They proved that success was not exclusive to a particular race, gender, or social class. They showed that anyone, regardless of their background, could rise above their circumstances and achieve greatness. Through their determination and resilience, they demonstrated that entrepreneurship could be a powerful tool for change, not just for them or their families, but for their communities as well. They became the catalyst for a new era, an era where dreams are not only dreamed but lived, where hopes are not only hoped but realized. Are you a young man or woman who's been searching for a way out, a way to build a brighter future for your family? Well, it's time to follow in the footsteps of Maria, Carlos, and countless others who have discovered the power of private franchising. Imagine owning your own business, setting your own hours, and seizing control of your destiny. Picture yourself as a beacon of hope, inspiring others in your community to rise above their circumstances and reach for their dreams. Visualize the legacy you could leave for your family and the generations to come. Private franchising isn't just a business model, it's a lifeline, a path to prosperity, and a stepping stone to a better life. It's a movement that's empowering young men and women just like you to rewrite their stories and transform their lives. So why wait? The time is now. Join the movement of young entrepreneurs who are rewriting their stories and changing their lives through private franchising. It's time to turn your dreams into reality, to become a beacon of hope for your community, and to be the role model your family deserves. Imagine the power of owning your business, setting the rhythm of your life, and building a legacy for your loved ones. That's the power of private franchising. It's more than just a business model, it's a life changer. It's a ticket to financial stability, a platform for your passions, and a beacon of hope for those around you. It's a chance to carve out a prosperous future for yourself while inspiring others to do the same. So why wait? The journey to financial freedom and empowerment begins here, and it begins with you. Don't let the opportunity pass. Visit to discover how you can embark on this empowering journey, build a prosperous future, and make a lasting impact. Together, we can transform our cities, one entrepreneur at a time, and create a safer, more prosperous world for all.